Can you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa Cat in Arizona?
Hi, Arizona. Hi, Grandma.
Can you say hi to Nani and Pops?
Hi, Pop.
Can you say hi to Nana and Aunt Judy and Uncle Jack?
Hi, Nana. Hi, Uncle Jack.
And Aunt Judy?
Hi, Judy.
Can you say hi to Sarah and Dale?
Hi, Sarah and Dale.
Can you say hi to Uncle Stephen and Aunt Jessica?
Hi, Uncle Stephen and Jessica.
Can you say hi to TT Kate and Uncle Bob?
Hi, Did and Uncle Bob.
Can you say hi to Nani and Pops?
Hi, Pop.
Now, did we say hi to Opa and Monica?
Hi, Monica.
All right. Now, what are you wearing, Connor?
Rico.
Is that a Camaro?
Yeah.
Can you say Camaro?
Camaro.
Did Mommy make you a Camaro robe?
Yeah, Mom.
Do you like it?
I feel like it. Yeah.
What's that you have in your hand?
A monster truck.
A monster truck. Can you give Sammy a big pet on his face? Yeah. Can you give Molly a pet? Yeah. Do you like your doggies?
I do it to my dog.
All right. Say goodnight to everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Good night. I love you.
Daddy, please me.
Okay, we're gonna go play. You wanna go play Cool Cars?
Yeah.
All right.